Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro, friends. In today's video, we are going to take a complete and detailed look at the Sony Xperia 1, a premium flagship smartphone that is specially designed for users who want a cinematic display, professional camera features, and powerful performance in one device. Sony has always been known for its innovation, and with Xperia 1, the company has focused on delivering a truly professional smartphone experience. Let's start with the display, which is the biggest highlight of the Sony Xperia 1. This smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch 4K OLED HDR display, making it one of the very few phones in the world with true 4K resolution. The colors are extremely sharp, vibrant, and realistic. Whether you are watching YouTube, Netflix, or editing photos and videos, the Xperia 1 gives you a cinema-like viewing experience. This display is perfect for content creators and media lovers. Now let's talk about performance. The Sony Xperia 1 is powered by a Snapdragon flagship processor, which delivers smooth and fast performance in daily use. Multitasking feels effortless, and heavy apps run without any lag. If you are into gaming, this phone can easily handle games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact with high graphics settings. The Xperia 1 is truly built for power users who want speed and reliability. Moving on to the camera system, Sony Xperia 1 features a triple camera setup developed with Sony's professional camera technology. The phone offers advanced manual controls, cinematic video recording, and natural color processing. The camera quality is outstanding, especially for users who love mobile photography and videography. You can record professional-looking videos, shoot detailed photos, and even use DSLR-style settings. The battery life is also well optimized. Sony Xperia 1 comes with a long-lasting battery that can easily survive a full day of normal usage. It also supports fast charging, so you don't have to wait long to get back into action. The phone is slim, lightweight, and feels very premium in hand with its glass and metal design. In terms of software, Sony Xperia 1 runs on clean Android, which means no heavy bloatware and a smooth user interface. You get a fast, simple, and secure experience with regular updates. Overall, the Sony Xperia 1 is a perfect flagship smartphone for users who want the best display, professional camera tools, and top-level performance. If you are searching for a 4K display phone, a camera-focused smartphone, or a premium Android device, then Sony Xperia 1 is definitely worth considering. So friends, this was the complete Sony Xperia 1 full review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more professional tech reviews and daily mobile content. See you in the next one.